This is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV Hindu.
Hello there. Guess we've all had a blast this Diwali. Welcome to your half hour of fun and frolic and the best entertainment right here on Shift Focus with me, Archana. First, the top stories. Designer jewelry at Studio Sachs. Chicago arrived in Chennai. And Goa is all set to arrive in Chennai. Diwali just got over, but the shopping spirit is still on. So we're starting with some jewelry and designer at that. Take a very good look. With Upasana and Sabita, the minds behind Studio Sachs, being such lovers of jewelry, it is but natural that they bring to our city the best designers.
The lovely hostesses, the owners, Sabita and Upasana, they've been selling my line for the last year, and they've asked me to do a Diwali, promo with my newest collection. So here I am with it, and we've had a great start this morning, and it's going very well. It's great to meet people and learn so much from customers, and finally put a face to the names that I've been hearing so much of this town. And it's been very good so far.
I personally love Bansri stuff, and also I think they're really versatile, and it's festive season. I think, people have really shop, and this is not very serious shopping. It's more fun shopping, it's more frivolous shopping, and why not? It happens to be Dhanteras, like just the perfect day. And I think Bansri is just so versatile. Her collections are so versatile. You can dress up, dress down, add stuff to the line, or just remove stuff from the line. So it becomes minimal. It becomes like a lot of things that you want it to be. And I just really love that aspect of Bansri's creations.
Everything is just so beautiful. It's very fresh, it's very new, it's very contemporary, and a lot of fresh designs, very young, and it kind of adapts to both Western and Indian outfits, so it kind of makes it so easy to mix and match. It kind of works really well. I've picked up a couple of earrings and rings and bracelets. There's just beautiful color. There's a lot of fun things happening with it. Extremely pretty designs.
And to conclude all the serious shopping we've done this Diwali, Studio Sachs has on display Bansri's jewelry. Fun, contemporary, colourful and gorgeously frivolous. So yes, it's time to indulge again. trendy indeed. The jewelry is on display till the end of this month, so this week's shopping plan is already taking shape for me. We'll be moving on to next, fine arts, and the biggest names in the performing arts. Enjoy. Celebrating the 81st birthday of Kuchipudi exponent Vempati Chinna Satyam, the Nagabharna Arts Foundation honoured Kathak exponent Pandit Birju Maharaj.
It's a whole legendary evening, I should say, because all the legends like whom we always look up to is on stage, and it's such an honor to be a part of an occasion like this where they are honoring such a big artists. And I'm very happy that I could be just be here for a prayer song. It's something very different from what I do.
The beautiful Shobana started the proceedings of the function by lighting the Kuttuvilakku. Celebrated musician M. Balamurli Krishna and Bharatanatyam exponent Chitra Vishveshwaran spoke at this function.
I'm celebrating my master's 81st birthday. So last year I promised, and last year I introduced this Nagabharna Arts Foundation Award, Nagabharna Award, on behalf of my master and my mother. So it's like Mata Pita Guru Devam. So Mata my mother and Guru is my master, Vempati Chinna Satyam Guruji, and Devam as God. So Nagabharna, so Shiva. So it three combine that name actually.
Acclaimed Kathak performer Shashwati Sen gave a heartfelt performance at this celebration.
It is a very, very happy event, and it's a very unique event. And I feel I have grown up watching these great people singing, dancing, complete artists, and to be part of such a momentous event is something I really cherish and will always cherish.
This evening is a very pleasant one and important one because there was a meeting. We were giving away the award in the name of Dr. Vempati Chinna Satyam, a great Kuchipudi dance master, and that award was given to another great man, great personality, Birju Maharaj Ji, the internationally known dancer. And to preside over it and giving away the awards. I'm very much pleased, it's an honor to me.
They made so many good dancers, big dancers, but they are not coming back to as they should come for teacher, for guru. तो उनके पूरे परिवार के लिए मेरे बहुत good wishes हैं, and I hope after some time we should do together again some work. हमने बहुत अच्छे काम किए हैं और उनका all the student I saw सभी बहुत अच्छा बनाते हैं. तो गुड टीचर अगर अच्छे स्टूडेंट बनाते हैं तो उनके लिए उससे बड़ा काम कुछ नहीं. जैसे हमारे फादर ने हमको कहा, यू मेक लाइक यू.
It was a very warm evening celebrating and honoring great talent. Here's to many more occasions like this. pretty amazing to see stalwarts with such a cool attitude. And talking about cool, coming up for you is Chicago. Yes, Freddie Koikarans. Don't go anywhere.